Kiss in tea.
Welcome to Kids Century. Nowadays, car is becoming essential for our daily movements. It's good to know the parts of a car. Come on, let's start to see the parts inside and outside of a car. Roof, windshield, wipers, bonnet, front head panel, front bumper, grills, license plate, headlights, fog lamp, indicator, tire, wheel cap, fender, window regulator, door, outside mirror, handle, quarter window, window, inside mirror, fuel tank lid, silencer, rear bumper, tail light or stop light, tailgate, rear windshield, speedometer, handbrake, seat belt, rear seat, front seat, gear shift, AC vent, audio system, dashboard, steering wheel, horn,
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.